Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am announcing my giveaway winner today. This is the giveaway I had. I announced the giveaway, like the beginning of the giveaway last Tuesday when I posted my Michaels haul, or maybe it was Monday. I don't really know, it doesn't matter. But I announced that I would be doing a giveaway, and I did it all on Instagram, and this is the post that I had sent you guys to comment on, and I had all the rules down here. So I just want to show you that this is the post, and this is what I am giving away, and I'm going to show you again really quick just what the winner will be receiving. 1 tube of washi tape, a pretty paper pad with gold foiling, and I have a the video where I announced this giveaway, I did a more in-depth, like I did a flip through of the paper pad and stuff, and why I picked these items. But I have the stickers, and then I have these pretty earrings, and then the embellishments I made. So this is just a small giveaway I wanted to do just to show you guys how thankful I am that you guys watch my channel and support me, because I think YouTube is so much fun, and this has been like such an awesome experience, and I keep saying that, but I honestly mean it. Like, I just love doing this. I think it's so fun. And soon it is, I'm out of school next week, so I'm really excited. I'm going to be able to hopefully put some more time into YouTube. I do have like an internship lined up and stuff like that. So I'll definitely still be posting at least Tuesdays and Thursdays, or maybe other days depending on the schedule, but I plan on posting a lot more videos, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for all those posts. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and announce the winner. There were, let's see how many comments. There were 64 likes and then 118 comments on this picture. So I'm going to be counting all the comments. Anybody who tagged somebody is entered, because that was part of the rules, and each person you tagged in a separate comment counted as an entry. So I am not going to filter the duplicate users because obviously I said you could comment more than once with more than one person, so you have multiple entries. Some people have like 10 or 15 entries, and some people have 2. It was all up to you guys on who you wanted to tag and how many people. So I went ahead and I put the URL in here. I'm using the random comment picker, commentpicker.com, I guess it's called. This is what everybody uses, so that's what I'm gonna go with. Oh, okay, sorry, I was being dumb. That was not actually pasted in there. I thought I had already pasted it in there. So now I can search. I do not want to filter. So 118 comments, and I'm going to pick, because some people put what they would enjoy most in a separate comment, so I'm only going to include the comments that have somebody tagged in them, just to keep things fair. So let's just see what happens. And the winner is Crazy Cabana. I'm just gonna go ahead and verify and make sure that she's subscribed, that she is following my Instagram. She did tag somebody I see, and I just want to make sure that she commented what she was most excited about. And yeah, that's pretty exciting. I think that was all of the requirements. Yes. And I will contact you in well, in a couple of minutes in my time, and I'll get your information so I can send this prize to you. I'm really excited. So thank you to everyone who entered. This was super fun giveaway, and I hope to be doing more in the future. Maybe I'll do one just to kick off summer, maybe. I don't know. I'm feeling summer right now because it's finally warm here in New York, so we'll see what happens. But congratulations, Crazy Cabana, and thanks for watching my channel, everyone, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.